Now students, look at page number 78 and 79. In space. Since 1957, many spacecrafts have been sent into space to unveil some of its mystery. Now here you have to answer the questions to brush up your knowledge on space. First one is, in 1957, the USSR launched the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. What was the satellite called? It was called Sputnik 1. Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin was the first human being to travel in space. In which spacecraft did he orbit the Earth? It was Vostok 1. The Russian spacecraft Voskhod 2 carried cosmonaut Alexei Leonov, who created a milestone in space missions. What did he do? He was the first person to walk in space. Next, on 21st December 1968, Borman, Lowell and William Anders became the first people to orbit the moon. About which spacecraft did they do this? It was Apollo 8. Which spacecraft launched on 16 July 1969 carried the first humans to land on the moon? It was Apollo 2. In the 1970s, which spacecraft made history by being the first to fly past two planets, that is Venus and Mercury? It was Mariner 10. Which is the first Indian dedicated multi-wavelength space observatory launched by ISRO in September 2015, which will enable multi-wavelength observations of stars? It is Astrostat. Now students, look at page number 79. Here are few fill in the blanks. So the first is, a star like our sun will eventually become a red giant and then shrink into a white dwarf. But some stars swell into red supergiants and finally blow up in a huge explosion called. This explosion is called supernova, and it is believed that new stars are created out of this explosion. Next, some galaxies that are very distant from the Earth have small yet spectacularly bright centers. These centers are quasi-stellar radio sources visible in the universe and are known as quasars. What are they known as? Quasar. A special group of celestial objects which emit extremely regular pulses of radio waves, and a few of which emit short rhythmic bursts of visible light. X-rays and gamma rays are called pulsating radio stars or pulsar. Dash was the first person to propose the theory that Saturn has rings that orbit the planet. Who was that person? Christian Huygens. The planet Dash has a massive cannon known as Wells Mariners, which stretches to more than 4,000 km across its surface. So the planet is Mars. Now students, here are few statements given. You have to write true or false. First is, like Earth, Venus and Mars have magnetic poles. It is false. Neptune has the fastest wind in the solar system. This statement is true. A shooting star is a streak of light consisting of tiny bits of dust and rock called meteoroids falling into the Earth's space. The answer is true. Saturn spins more rapidly than any other planet with a day from sunrise to sunset of less than 10 hours. It's thus false. Many of the moons of Uranus have been named after the characters in Shakespeare's plays. The statement is true. Titan, the satellite of Saturn, is the only moon in the solar system which has a thick atmosphere. This statement is correct. Now look at page number 80, the country's shield. Who serves as the Supreme Commander of the Indian Defence Services? It is the President. In how many commands is the Indian Army organized? So, the Indian Army is organized in 7 commands. Name the rank that comes between group captain and squadron leader in the Indian Air Force. It is the wing commander. Name the rank that comes between captain and lieutenant commander in the Indian Navy. It is the commander. Name the rank that comes between major general and colonel in the Indian Army. It is the brigadier. The Indian Navy was earlier known as Royal Indian Navy. When was the word Royal dropped? It was dropped on 26th January 1950. Who was the first Indian chief of the naval staff after independence? Vice Admiral R.D. Khatri. Who became the first Field Marshal of independent India? It was Sam Manekshaw. When is the Indian Army Day observed? It is observed on 15th January. When is the Indian Air Force Day observed? So, the Indian Air Force Day is observed on 8th October. When is the Indian Navy Day observed? Indian Navy Day is observed on 4th December. Who was the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army of Independent India? It was General K.M. Karappa. Who was the founding member of the Indian Air Force and was also appointed as the first Indian Chief of Air Staff in 1954? It is Air Marshal Subrat Mukherjee. Who was the first woman Air Marshal of the Indian Air Force? It was Padmavati Bandyopadhyay. Which place is referred to as the world's highest battlefield? It is Siachen Glacier.